Good morning or afternoon. We are learning about 3/8 time signature today. So the fraction here, 3/8, again, tells you how many beats per measure and what kind of note gets the beat. Up until this point, we have only seen a 4 on the bottom. So we've always been counting with our quarter note getting our beat. Now we have an 8 on the bottom. So we will have the 8th note getting the beat. The top note doesn't change. We will still have 3 beats per measure, but now the 8th note will get the beat. So if we look here, 1, 2, 3, we have 3 beats. And if I set my metronome, I just have 1, 2, 3, played like this. When I move on to my dotted quarter note, I have to think how many 8th notes fit inside a dotted quarter note. How many 8th notes fit inside a dotted quarter note? If you said 3, you are correct. 1, 2, 3. Held out for 3 beats. Because my click is now my 8th note. Moving over into my last measure here, how many 8th notes fit into your quarter note? If you said 2, you are correct. This quarter note will now get 2 clicks, and your third click will happen on the single 8th note at the end, sounding like this. Putting it all together, you will often see it written like this. It will not have the 3 the way the triplet has the 3 because it's not in 4/4 time. You will only see the actual 3 written if you are in a 4/4 time or 2/4 time or common time. This is in 3/8, so the quarter note is getting the beat. But again, this will typically look like this. This would typically look like this. This is just an alternative way to write this. And these 3 measures would sound like this. And that's 3/8